Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some green beans, string beans, and y'all, I looked on my page and it's been about a year since I made these. So we're going to make it again, but this time we're going to make it with smoked meat instead of like bacon and stuff like that. And we're just going to switch it up a little bit. Before we get started, y'all, make sure y'all get my cookbook, okay? It is on Amazon. It is linked below digitally. Without further ado, let's get to it.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camera. You don't really know you are.
So with these string beans, y'all, I'm just going to show y'all real quick because I'm not going to spend all day on these, right? You basically want to pick the tips and break it in half, okay? That's pretty much all you want to do. So you're going to break this part off, break this part off, and break it in the middle. That's it. For the kind of string beans that we making, you want them to be like this big. I mean, it's up to you. But the other string beans that I'm making, like the pan seared ones, all I do is just take the tips off and leave them long like this for those. Okay, I am gonna make some of those. I'm gonna put those on the side, but that's gonna be, I'm just making those for me. Break these in half. I'm gonna show y'all one more time because it's not hard. Take the tip. Do so real fast. This, throw that away, and break in the middle. If they already small, I don't even break them. So y'all have some smoked turkey wings. You can use smoked turkey necks, whatever you want, y'all. This was about $9. And let me see, am I gonna use all of this? Probably just use like 1 or 2 pieces because I'm not making a lot. And so what we're gonna do, y'all, is boil this for about an hour, hour and a half. We want to get it to be kind of falling off the bone for the string beans. It's really only 2 pieces in here, y'all. The other 2 pieces is these end pieces, and I'm gonna just save these. So y'all, it's been about an hour and a half. Just cook it as long enough for your meat to fall off the bone, okay? Because that's what we're looking for. Now we're just gonna remove it and shred it. As y'all can see, it's falling off. So we're just gonna remove it and take the bone out and stuff. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna add the meat back in. We shred it out. And we still just have the pot on low. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna add the green beans in, and this is just how they're looking after I done cleaned them and picked them and broke them in half, basically. I got a good batch this time. Last time I didn't have a good batch. Okay, we're gonna add some chicken broth. Last time I added beef broth, y'all, because I ain't have enough. I mean, because I ain't had no more chicken broth. And we just gonna put enough to kind of cover it. Remember, we are gonna add potatoes. That's pretty much almost the whole box right there. Then we're gonna season it, y'all. Seasoning, salt, just a little bit of that. Onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and smoked paprika. Okay, y'all, we're gonna add about 2 teaspoons of garlic, 2 hefty teaspoons. Y'all know me. And 1 whole onion diced. Want to give it a nice stir. Then we're gonna put the lid on this, y'all, for about 30 minutes or so. Then we're gonna come back and put the potatoes in. But after you cut your potatoes, you want to sit them in some cold water so that they don't brown. And now we're gonna just add the potatoes. We're gonna let these go for about 20 minutes as well, so we can get them nice and soft. And then y'all, this is pretty much done. We're just gonna add whatever seasoning you needed to add, or taste it and see what else you need to add. I am gonna add a little chicken bouillon though. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a little taste, see if it needs to be added anything else. Nothing else. That broth is good. I know I say that all the time, y'all, but it really is. Alright, about 20 minutes, y'all. I hope y'all can hear me. It's loud because we find some chicken right now to go with this. So let's just go ahead and check on it. It should be about done. So y'all, this is it. I am gonna add some crushed red peppers at the end of this. Alright y'all, so this is how it came out. Don't forget the grocery list is in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, y'all. I hope y'all can hear me. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button!